want to save our planet's pollinators and bring beautiful butterflies like this to your garden, check out this unboxing video I prepared just for you. Alright, I am unboxing the Spring Gardener greenhouse, and this is actually the Gable greenhouse. It's an 8 by 10 by 8, and I just received this from Dive to Garden. Absolutely great company, working directly with the owner, Ronnie, and they really give you some personalized service. So as you can see right at the top of the box, we got this mold resistant fabric cover. It's translucent and it's UV protected, and the one piece design slips right over the frame. Alright, directly under that cover we have all of the joints, we have the ties, we have the different feet and poles. We have both side and rafter pole, and we have this really detailed instruction manual. As we flip over to the very first page, you're going to see we have a check inventory page, which is really in nice detail. It has the drawing images and the quantity count with the parts number and everything. So you got A to K, and it's really good. So we got the rafter poles. We've got 6 in quantity. So what I did is I grabbed the rafter poles. They have a really nice sticker on them. So you can see this right here. Sticker A, how easy can that be? You can count out 6 of them. So that counted out nicely. And we go on to the next one, which are the side poles. B, as you can see right here, the sticker clearly shows that it is a part B, and we do have 6 of those. Okay, so we have part C, and that's the leg poles. Here we go. There's C. As you can see by that, we have 6 of those legs. Okay, so we're at part number D, or should I say letter D. It's the stabilizer bar, and as you see right here, it comes in a frame. We got the D stabilizer bar, and we do have 4 of those, and that will keep the frame nice and sturdy. Okay, we're going to skip ahead to part E here. It's the 3-way joint. And as we see here, there are 6 of those, and we do have a perfect count of 6. And now we're at F, as you see right here, F, and that is the 4-way joint. And there are 3 of those 4-way joints. Okay, we're at part G, and that is the base feet. And we do have 6 of those base feet, and each of those base feet have a carriage bolt with a wing nut. So this is part H, which includes 6 of the feet and 6 of the wing nuts. We have a perfect count of 30 of these smaller wing nuts, or maybe I should call them bees wing nuts. Okay, I got a little tongue-tied on that one. Oh, speaking of ties, we've got these elastic ties, part J, with an absolute perfect count of 36. And now there's that last part. No, wait a minute, it's the cover. We've seen that in the beginning, and we know that that cover is the new buzz at Dive to Garden. So you can see right here, look at this amazing greenhouse. I mean, it's so tight, it fits so nicely, and it's housing my butterflies beautifully. A very big thanks to Ronnie at Dive to Garden. This is the perfect greenhouse.